everyone. I hope everyone is well. I just want to say thank you so much. I have gotten such a good feedback about my last outfit of the day, and you guys have inspired me to make another one. It's rainy outside, so I decided that I would make a gothic glam outfit of the day. Enjoy the video. I am wearing a long sleeve button cuff sweater from Zara. This sweater goes for 16 euros and 99 cents. My bag I'm wearing is from Versace. I've had this bag for years and it still looks like brand new. My undershirt I'm wearing is from United Colors of Benetton. You can also wear your scarf just straight wrapped around your neck. This Alexander McQueen scarf is a classic piece. You can also choose to wear your scarf like this. I find it to be very gothic chic. My bracelet is a silver bracelet I bought in Turkey at a bazaar. I am also wearing my Chanel J12 watch with high-tech ceramic. The ring I'm wearing is by Accessorize. These lovely rider boots, I bought them from Coach. They're very classic. I love the simple detailing and perfect for the rainy weather outside. These boots are timeless. The jeans I'm wearing are the skinny jeans by Victoria's Secret. If you're a tall girl just like me, they carry the 36 inseam. I would recommend, if you're planning on ordering them, to order one size smaller, as they do fit bigger. They're very sleek, very classic, and they do show a good figure. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.